Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. Sorry for the shadows. It's night time and dark. Well, it's not even night time, it's afternoon, but it's dark. Roll on the summer, that's what I say, or roll on that lighter nights. I remember when I used to struggle to fit filming in before sort of 8 o'clock at night, and now it's got to be fitted in before 2 in the afternoon or else you're out of time. And I miss that morning time I used to have where I could craft first thing in the morning as well, in natural light. Anyway, this is just a quick card. It's using up I am going to talk about this at some point, but I'm definitely on the bandwagon with the people who are trying to use what they've got. I'm not buying less because I've got orders that are coming that I'd already placed before I had my epiphany. But I will be buying less a share, and I will be using more of what I've got. Now I saw a card, I can't remember where it was. I saw somebody who had just literally just stamped onto plain Whisper White, and I thought, how simple a card is that, how lovely is that? And that's something I want to do a few of. I'm going to do a few examples of that next week, but I thought I'm going to try and kind of keep it really simple. This one's for a sketch for Positively Papercraft, and it's a sketch that I chose. And it was simply a layer, a band down the right hand side, and then a tag across about here. And I thought, instead of me using different paper or stamping or putting ribbon or whatever, why not use a paper that's already got an edge to fit the remit for the sketch. So that's what I've chosen, and this is Eastern Opulence. I picked this up really, really inexpensively from, I think it was from The Works, or from Every Craft's a Pound, I don't know, I can't remember now, but I know it's normally about £12, which isn't too bad because it's a massive stack, and I picked it up for a £5 from somewhere I can't remember where. And then what I've done, so I've got a 4x6 Whisper White card base, and then I've got a piece to go on the top, which is just cut from a corner really, so I'll get this pattern coming along the bottom here. It's gold foil embossed as well, which is lovely. So I just cut it sort of cleverly, if you like, so that I got that edge and that bottom, and that was just 5 7/8 by 3 7/8, and then I just cut a 2x3 piece of Whisper White, and then a piece of the same paper, because I'm going to layer that up on top, which is again 1 7/8 by 2 7/8, and I'm going to use my tag topper punch for that, and I'm going to thread some gold twine through it, again something that I'm going to be using until it's gone. And I'm going to use a stamp set that I've never used before, called Amazing You. This was a celebration stamp set with dies last year, and I've only just used it. So I'm going to be using that a little bit more this week. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use the Celebrate stamp from that, and I'm just going to stamp it straight onto here and gold emboss it. So I'm being a little bit ambitious because I don't normally do that kind of thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make my tag first. So I'm just going to get some Tombow and glue that on to there. And then get the tag topper punch and just slide it in there. Cut that out. Oh! Something went flying when I did that. And then I'm just going to get some thread. I'm going to sort of double it up. I'm just going to pop it through. I want it to look quite 3, and that's going to go over the top. I'll show you exactly how I'm going to put that in a minute. I'll just leave my Tombow there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to heat emboss on directly onto here. So I'll sort out where my tag's going to go. So that's going to go there. So I'm going to heat emboss just here, okay, on my card, on my layer. So I'm going to take this Celebrate, make sure it's nice and straight. Get some Versamark. Ink it up with Versamark, but first of all, get my embossing buddy out and just rub that in the area. Don't worry if it goes onto your foil and dulls it a little bit, it'll come off. It's just to stop you getting any static on there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop that really gently there. Okay, pop that back into my set. Oh, I don't think I've got it straight. It doesn't matter, you know what I'm trying to achieve. The angle I have to work on can sometimes make it a little bit difficult for me to get things straight. Just pop some gold embossing powder on. Put all my embossing stuff over there. Get my heat gun. Just going to use my bone folder just to hold my piece of paper down. And then just heat emboss. Celebrate onto there. And then pop that on. What you might be able to do is put that on a little bit of an angle. Make it look like I meant to do it. I do sometimes do that with cards. Yeah, I think what I'm going to do I'm just going to cut it down like 1/8 of an inch at the top and the bottom, just because I've made that mistake. And then I'm just going to cut off more or less to the edge there. Yeah. So that it looks like it was supposed to be like that. And then I'm just going to put some glue on and stick it down. Make sure it's actually on the card. And also my bone folder, I just need to burnish my card there. Okay. And then what I'm going to do with my tag is I'm going to stick some dimensionals on the back of that. And then I'm going to line that up like so. The parts I've already got on. And then I'm going to take my Eastern medallions, or whatever it's called, Eastern Gold vinyl stickers, just see if there's any small ones, just to add a little bit of something instead of a that's my matte card sketch entry. Obviously the card, that's the card straight. I hope you like that. I enjoyed making it, and it's quite a nice sort of Eastern themed one. I like it. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.